I am Shanti, Faculty IT in Anna Institute of Management, and I am here to present the data cleaning methods available in Excel. Let us go to the presentation and live demo of data cleaning methods in Excel. Data cleaning is the process of preparing data for analysis by removing or modifying data that is incorrect, incomplete, irrelevant, duplicated or improperly formatted. So some of the benefits of data cleaning are it improves accuracy of the result, and it gives improved decision making, and it saves money and reduce waste. Also we can save time and increase productivity after cleaning the data. And since the data is a major asset in many of the government organizations, it may be cleaned before used for analysis. Let us see some of the data cleaning techniques available in Excel. From the collected data, so we can remove the extra spaces before analysis. We can easily remove the blanks entries from the collected data, and there is a method to convert the data that is entered in the text format to the number format, and we can easily convert the data entered in a different format using the flash fill facility to the corrected format. And the duplicate data can be removed, duplicate values can be removed from the collected data. And if we have data entered in a single column, that can be break down into multiple columns for analysis. So let us go to Excel sheet. In the first column we have name. All the name entries were available with some extra spaces. Before analysis it need to be corrected. So for this there is a simple function in Excel. So that is substitute. Use substitute and select the data entered with space. Then within double quote space, we are going to remove the space with no space command. That is substitute, enter. Now for the first cell or the first entry, we got the name in the correct format. Then copy the same by dragging the mouse to all the entries. Now the data appears without spaces. This can be used for analysis. The second method is identifying the blank cells from the collected data. So I have some sample data with a name and area like that. Select the whole data. Then to identify the blank cells, press F5. Then go to special. Here we have blanks option. Choose blank option. Then click on OK. So all the blank cells are identified here with a different colors. So we want to mark it with a different color using the fill color option. If you choose fill color, all the cells were identified with the different colors. Blank cells are marked with the different colors. This can be filled before analysis. And the next option is we can easily convert the text to number. For example, in Excel, if you feed the data, all the text entries are left justified, the number entries are right justified. So here the allowances is number, it is right justified, but the salary is appearing left justified because it is entered as a text. So if we want to convert the salary to the number format, type 1 in any one of the cell and press Ctrl C. Then select all the rows where we enter the text, the numbers in text format. Then go to paste special option. Under the operation you choose multiply. Then click on OK. Now all the numbers are appearing the right justified. The number entries are now corrected. Then the next method available in Excel for data cleaning is flash fill facility. So here I have collected data. Usually the numbers are always right justified and the names are left justified. Here in the name we have initials at the first. If you rearrange the data using the data sort facility, see here I have A to Z. The system is sorting with the first character, that is A Mrinalini, but actually the name Anbarasan should come first. So for this, the initials, if you enter the initials at the back, we can easily rearrange the names in alphabetical order. For this, we can use the flash fill facility. No need to retype the data. Insert empty column adjacent to the name and enter the name in the correct format with name and initials at the end. Now select the first cell and the adjacent rows also. Then go to fill facility. Under this we have flash fill. Now all the names are appearing in the correct format. So like this, we have date of joining here. The date of joining is entered in the text format. Here the entry is made with the day, month, year with the separator dot. The system is storing the date in the text format. This cannot be used for calculation like service period or other manipulations. This need to be converted into the correct date format with the separator slash or hyphen. For this, introduce adjacent column. Here enter the date in the correct format. Then select this cell and the adjacent cells. Then go to fill, use flash fill. Now the date is appearing in the correct format, day, month, year with the separator. So if you look at the top in the type, data type, it shows as a date. For this, the data type is general. So this date can be used for analysis. The next one is, we can remove the duplicate entries available from the collected data. I have district names, area, total and other details. Here the district name Karur is appearing in the 12th row as well as in the 17th row. Like this, we have many duplicate entries. To identify the duplicate entries, select the whole data. Then I have an option called conditional formatting in Excel. Choose this, highlight cells. Under highlight cell, there is an option called duplicate values. Now all the duplicate entries are highlighted with different color. Like this, from the huge collected data, we can easily identify the duplicate values. If we want to remove the duplicate values, under data, we can choose the remove duplicate option. Automatically the system identify the column headers and simply click on OK. Now it removed all the duplicate values from the collected value. Now the data is available with unique entries. This will be helpful for data analysis to get the perfect result. And we have one more option called text to column here. So here I entered all the address in a single column. I want to use it for analysis, but it is available in a single column, that is name of the person, department, place, city, like that. To break down the address into multiple columns, select the address. Here we have text to column option. There are three steps available in the conversion. The first one is delimiter. Delimiter is a separator for the data. So here the delimiter is comma. Choose delimiter. Then click on next button. Here delimiter is a separator. That is, here we use comma as a separator, but we can use semicolon, space or other characters also. If the data is available with a delimiter, you can separate into multiple columns. So let us choose comma because we have comma in the address. Then click next. Then here the system asks the destination where the address should be breakdown. So in the particular column like G, I want to break down the address. So I am choosing the G column, then click finish. Now the address is split into multiple columns. This can be used for analysis to prepare the results. Thank you so much. If you have any queries related to that, you can mail me. This is my mail address.